guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Today I'm gonna make a healthy version of banoffee, or as we know as banana toffee. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications for further update of my new recipe. So let's get started. All the ingredients for today's recipe is so simple. You basically only need 2 bananas, 150 grams of digestive biscuits or oatmeal biscuits, any kind of yogurt that has the original or plain flavor. I have a cream cheese, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a low-fat milk or any kind of milk, 120 grams of brown sugar. First thing off, we're gonna make the caramel sauce. In a pan, add about 120 grams of brown sugar and 40 ml of water. And then we're gonna stir it till it mix and combine. And let it boil for several minutes. It takes about 5 till 7 minutes till it's bubbling like this. Then we're gonna pour a 40 ml of milk, then stir it again and let it boiling. When the consistency becomes thicker and more bubbling like this, our caramel sauce is done. Pour the caramel sauce into a bowl to cool it down. This caramel sauce color is a little bit darker than the regular one because we're using a brown sugar instead of white sugar. For the crumble, put a 150 grams of digestive biscuits or oatmeal into a plastic bag. With a rolling pan, we're gonna crush the biscuits for several minutes until it becomes crumble and has a texture like a sand. After crumble like this, move it to a jar. For the cream layer, I have a plain yogurt here, and for 1 serving, I add about 50 grams of yogurt. Then I have a cream cheese. For the yogurt and cream cheese ratio is 1:2. So if I add 50 grams of yogurt, then the ratio for cream cheese is 25 grams. And then stir it well. And I add about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And stir it again till it mix and combine. Here we have 2 bananas and peel it off. Then on top of the cutting board, we're gonna cut the banana into thin slices. And then we're gonna go to the next step, which is the layering. I have my glass here, and for the base, I add the crumble of the digestive biscuits or oatmeal biscuits. The next layer is the cream layer, and make sure it covers all the base layer. Next is the caramel sauce, and it's up to you on how much you want to put the caramel sauce. And because I don't want to be really sweet, I don't really put much of caramel sauce. Then we're gonna put our banana on top of the caramel sauce. Then we're gonna repeat the layer, add another cream layer, caramel sauce, a digestive biscuits crumbled, bananas, caramel sauce, and last but not least, topping with a cocoa powder to give a bit of depth and rich flavor. And our healthy versions of banoffee is ready to serve. It has a right sweetness, a right consistency and texture, and the most important thing is it's healthy and can be one of your snacks recipe when you're dieting. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tag me on Instagram when you're making one of my recipe. See you on my next recipe. Bye bye.